Sovplym presents new portable filter for soldering, DCA-P-300. Filter was developed by own R&D department of Sovplym with consideration of all customers' requests received in many years of our work in the ventilation market. Compact design to save your space. Weight of the filter is only 22 kg. Optional work with either 1 or 2 extraction arms. You will be able to clean air from 2 workplaces with only 1 filtration unit. Noise level is below 65 decibels at maximum RPMs. Airflow of DCA-P-300 can be easily adjusted with a regulator located next to power on-off button. Modern brushless motor without a rotor has increased lifetime. One of the key advantages of DCA-P-300 is low power consumption, only 170 Watt. Let's take a look under the filter cover. Inside there are 3 cleaning stages. Pre-filter made of fiberglass with F7 filtration class, and combined HEPA H14 filter with chemical activated carbon filter, capturing unpleasant smells and toxic gases. Replacement of filtration elements is fast and easy. The filter cover is being fixed with 2 adjustable latches. This is how standard soldering process looks like without extraction system. And now let's turn on DCA-P-300. As you can see, filter has enough suction capacity to remove harmful smoke and return clean air back into premises. DCA-P-300 was specially designed for soldering processes at various industrial factories, training classes, laboratories and renovation workshops. Since the very start of sales, filter was highly demanded by the market, what makes us proud and motivated for further work, creating safe and comfortable environment at your manufacturing facilities. DCA-P-300 continued this rise of first-generation filters, showing significantly higher energy efficiency, introducing H14 filtration class comparing to F9 in previous models. Here you can see all major features and advantages of this unit. We will be glad to answer your questions. Our best technical specialists are always ready to share detailed information on our products. See you in our next videos.